Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Codeblock's IDE for C and C++ on Windows 10. Okay, so in order to download this software you have to go to their website, that is codeblocks.org. okay, and guys, this website link in the video description, you can check it out. So let me copy this, or let me open my web browser, let me go to the address bar, let me paste that over here. Okay, and after that let me hit enter key on the keyboard, and you can see guys, here we have this website of Codeblocks opened. Okay, and you can see over here it is a free open source cross-platform C, C++ and Fortran IDE. Okay, so in order to download this you have to click on this downloads, this link. Okay, and on this page here we have three links. Okay, download the binary release, download the source code, retrieve source code from SVN. Okay, so you need to click on this download the binary release. So let me click over here. Okay guys, so here we have this page opened, and you can see that here we have this Codeblocks IDE available for Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8.x or Windows 10. Okay, so guys, here we have various files. So you need to download this one, Codeblocks 17.12 mingw setup.exe. okay, because it includes C and C++ compiler. Okay, so you can download from any link like from FossHub or sourceforge.net. okay, so I'm clicking on this sourceforge.net. okay, and you can see guys, over here your download will start shortly, so just wait. And you can see guys, here we have the setup file. So let me click on this desktop because I want to save this file on my desktop, and after that click on this save button, and at the bottom left of my Chrome browser you can see it's downloading, so you just need to wait. Okay guys, so the file has been downloaded, so let me go to my desktop. Okay, so here is the file. So in order to run this, you have to double click on this, and you can see guys, here we have this window opened. Welcome to Codeblocks setup. Click on this next button, and here we have the license agreement. Okay, you can read that if you are interested, and then click on this I agree button. Okay, I am leaving this as default. Click on this next button. Okay, and here we have the destination folder where it will be installed. Okay, so I'm leaving this as default, but if you want to change this, click on this browse button, select your destination. Okay, so let me click on this cancel, and after that guys, click on this install button, and you can see over here it's installing, so we need to wait. You can see that over here we have this shortcut created, so it's still installing, so just wait. And you can see guys, over here we have this little window. Do you want to run Codeblocks now? So just click on this no button, and you can see over here installation complete, setup was completed successfully. Okay, click on this next button, click on this finish button, and you can see guys, it's now done. Okay, and here we have the shortcut, so just double click on this Codeblocks to run this, and you can see guys, over here we have this Codeblocks opening, the open source cross-platform IDE, and here is the version number 17.12. okay, so here we have this GNU GCC compiler detected. Click on this to select it, and then click on this OK button, and you can see guys, over here file associations. Now this window we have. Okay, so just select this no, leave everything as it is, and then click on this OK button, and you can see guys, here we have the Codeblocks 17.12 installed on Windows 10. Okay, and it's opened, and here we have the start page over here. Okay, so here we have some links. Now create a new project, open an existing project, tip of the day, visit the Codeblock's forums, report a bug, or request a new feature. Okay, so let me close this start page. Okay, so let's create one project. So for this, click on this file and then click on this new, and here we have the project. Click on this project. Okay, click on this console application and then click on this go button, and you can see guys, here we have this window opened, console application. Click on this next button. So currently I'm selecting this C. Click on this next button. Okay, and here we have the project title. So just give the title of your project. So I'm typing my C project. Okay, and here we have the folder to create project in. Okay, so just click on this three dots and just select the folder where you want to create this project. Okay, so let me select this PC. Let me select this documents. Okay, you can select any folder, but I'm selecting this documents, and then click on this OK button. Okay guys, so here we have the project file name, my C project.cbp, project title, folder, and here we have the resulting file name. Okay, so just click on this next button. I'm leaving this as default. You can see over here we have this compiler, GNU GCC compiler, and then click on this finish button. And you can see guys, over here we have this my C project created. So if I expand this sources, this folder, you can see we have this main.c. So if I click on this to select it, and after that double click on this, and you can see that here we have this program created. Okay, and it will print hello world. So in order to run this, you have to click on this build. Okay, and here we have this build and run. Okay, so if I click on this build and run, you can see over here we have this hello world output. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, and also guys, we have keyboard shortcut. If you want to build and run by using keyboard shortcut, you can use this F9 key. Okay, and also if you want to build and run, we have this other option over here, build and run. If I click on this, you can see we have this hello world output. Okay, so let me close this. So guys, that's it. In this way you can easily install Codeblock's IDE for C and C++ on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.